What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Good morning. And welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. All right, situation is pretty much the same as yesterday. We're still very bullish. We're going to get a flush. All right, so we're going to get, and we're just diving right in. Hopefully you don't mind. But we are getting a move like this, like we got the 11th of December or the 3rd of January, or even, if you still remember, the 14th of November. Now, those moves were not that big. I mean, it was like on average 10% down. And in the end, as you can see, they were actually pretty good for the price. But something like that is happening, all right? So be prepared for that. I mean, what you can see right now and why I'm telling you something like that is going to happen. And I think that's important that you know that. You can see the funding rates right now are increasing rapidly, all right? So the last times that happened, which you can see right here, that always resulted in a flush. All right, here you can see the 14th of November, then the 11th of December, and then the 3rd of January. So right now you can see the funding rates are becoming higher again, so we're going to get some sort of a flush. And what that means, especially with the Bitcoin dominance that is this high, is that Bitcoin will probably still be fine. All right, Bitcoin might drop down to like 49,000, at the very most like 47,000. Maybe 46,500, but at this moment that seems unlikely because we're not that unleveraged or leveraged. But the thing is that if the Bitcoin dominance is still this high, that means that altcoins will suffer a lot. So just know that, take that into account, and that's enough. But for now, Bitcoin still looks very bullish. All right. So what I expect to happen at some point of time, even though fundamentally, like I said, I still do think we're quite bullish right now. But what I expect to happen at some point of time is some sort of a top, all right? So like we got right here, for example, at 44,500, or what we got right here, the 24th of October. Something like that is going to happen at some point of time. But the biggest question is well, all right, what's the next major resistance level? And honestly, I would say, and we talked about this yesterday, but I would say like 53,500 is the main resistance level, because afterwards we'll have to start talking about 58 and 60,000 already. All right, that's really the level after that. But you can see that on the weekly, this is a strong level. All right, you can see a lot of wicks come down to that level, especially this little level right here. So I do expect us to find resistance here in the area we're at. Now, like I said, I think fundamentally we're still very strong. So am I completely sure about this? No, but I do think that, you know, at some point of time, we're going to find resistance. Even though fundamentally I'm very bullish on Bitcoin, at some point of time, that's going to happen. All right, so I think this level is the highest probability because afterwards, like I said, afterwards, it's really like there's a bit of a level around 56 and 55,000. So maybe that's the next price target. That's a possibility, I would say. But in general, I do expect a bit of a pullback. But what I expect more is that we'll find resistance, consolidate up there, Bitcoin dominance start to shift down a bit. So that allows for altcoins to have some breathing room. And then we'll have some bullish momentum for those altcoins. That's what I think is most likely at this moment. But be prepared for some sort of a flush, all right? With the market getting more and more leveraged, I think the market is bullish technically and fundamentally, but be prepared for that, all right? So I would say what I expect at this moment is something like this, all right? So either a move up to this or up to this level, and from there, and from there, a bit of a pullback and a consolidation, and then maybe a flush down like this, but then a continuation, because I do think that 58,000 eventually is very, very realistic. But I'll keep you updated on that. All right. For now, this is what you need to know, I think. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. I'll keep you updated on this every single day, because right now the markets are pretty difficult, obviously, to analyze and to check out. So if you want more info, if you want to know what I'm trading, because I'm trading quite a lot right now, consider joining my premium and signal group. That's up to you. Links will be down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.